In this video tutorial, we'll guide you through the various download options and export settings available on the Export and Download page. Let's start by exploring the options on the right side of the Export and Download page. Here, you'll find a range of download choices tailored to suit your needs, making it effortless to integrate VTMS into your personal workflow. Under the Video and Audio section, you can retrieve the original video file you uploaded, serving as a backup in case of file loss. Additionally, if you've synchronized the audio to the video on the sync and mixing page, the option to download a combined voiceover file becomes available, allowing you to obtain the entire audio track as a single file. For further flexibility, segmented voiceover files are also provided in case you require individual audio files. This option will become available once audio files are uploaded or generated on the voiceover page. Moving on to the script section, this is where you can download the transcript you've created or edited on the transcription and timing page. You have the choice to download it in either TXT or SRT format, with the latter containing timecodes. The translation section might seem complex at first glance, but fear not, we'll break down each option for you. For translation with timestamps, you have the option to download an Excel file. This comprehensive document includes timecodes, transcriptions, translations, speaker names, and genders, essentially encapsulating all necessary information for the video. A practical application involves sharing this Excel file with a translator who can directly input translations into the target language column. Once completed, the updated Excel file can be re-uploaded to VTMS, automatically updating the translation. Alternatively, if the translation is already finished, you can download it as a VTT file, which contains timecodes. Next, let's delve into the subtitle section. Here, you can download the subtitles you've crafted on the subtitle page in various formats. It's currently unavailable to download due to the fact that there's no subtitles added or loaded on subtitle page. Once subtitles are added on subtitle page, this will become available. For aspects not covered in this video, stay tuned for dedicated tutorials explaining their functionalities in greater detail. Now, shifting our focus to the left side of the page, this is where you can initiate the video export process. Once you've completed all necessary steps to localize the video and are ready to export the final version, you'll encounter 3 export settings to choose from. Note that the option to export with subtitles may be unavailable if no subtitles are prepared on the subtitle page. You have the option to export the video with voiceover, replacing the original audio with the uploaded, created, or generated voiceover from the voiceover page. Alternatively, if you solely intend to include subtitles in your video, you can export it with subtitles only, effectively embedding the prepared subtitles into the video. Finally, if you require both dubbed audio and burned-in subtitles, you can export the video with both voiceover and subtitles. The resulting video will feature dubbed audio with embedded subtitles. Upon completion of the export process, you'll receive an email notification and access to the results on this page. You can revisit this page to download or share the video via a link.
Cos'è il PIL? Probabilmente hai...
Should you make any adjustments, such as updating the voiceover audio or rectifying subtitle errors, you'll need to repeat the export process. All export records will be stored on this page for easy tracking of different versions. And that's it for the introduction of the Export and Download page. If you have any feedback or specific requirements for file downloading, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for watching.